Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my hair and I'm going to do some two-strand twists. If y'all hear that noise in the background, it's the dryer. And I have it set up on my Nest. I put my Nest camera in my laundry room so I can always watch the dryer, because I just have this thing with dryers, like this phobia that they're gonna, I don't even want to talk about it. But so I have to watch my dryer when my clothes are in the dryer. But anyways, we're gonna get started on my hair. Today I'm gonna do two-strand twists, but I gotta wash my roots. I washed my hair probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I can't remember. But today I'm just gonna wash my roots. I'm gonna attempt to only wash my roots. Okay, so I failed at what I was trying to do. And what I was attempting to do was only wash my roots because it would cut down the drying process. And that's really where I put all my product at, is on my roots. But girl, I ended up getting my whole head wet. So it's gotta be a longer drying process, but alright, so I'm gonna use this leave-in conditioner and spray it on my roots. And just rub it in. I'm almost out of this leave-in conditioner, but it's a good one. It's a good leave-in. Blow dry. Alright, so my hair isn't dry, but it's dry enough to where it's not dripping, so that's good. Y'all, I'm excited about this two-strand twist because I have not had two-strand twists since my hair has grown, so I'm excited to see how it turns out. Now, I don't know if I should do like a side part or if I should do a middle part. I'm gonna do a side part. I'm gonna do a side part. So I'm here at the top. I've done the back. I'm gonna let y'all see it. When I do the back, y'all, I don't part. I just pull apart, gel down, twist. Like, that's it. I don't get neat until I'm up here at the front. But I'm gonna show y'all, because these are my last two twists in the back, because I can't see those. So this is how the back is looking. And yeah, let's get started on the front. And this little watch, it's not a watch, it's like you put your gel and stuff on it. It works good. Like, I love it. It's like a braider's thing. So the gel that I'm using today is Pure Hair Solution product. This is an 8-ounce container. And what else? Yeah, it's for braids, but I use it for locks. But I use it for braids and locks and anything that I need it to work for. So for that, one thing I love about my locks, y'all, is the size. Like, I love the size of my locks, because they're not too big, but they're not too small. And I'm gonna twist them going this way, like toward my face. Like this, so that it'll be able to go back and it can fall down. So there, right there, and then do the same thing with this one. And then I'm gonna take the twist like this and twist them. Now what I always do is like twist halfway down, like right here, and then put a clip right there. If it unravels at the root, you're twisting it the wrong way. But what I've realized is like twist them both the same way to make them twist better. So as you can see, these two locks, I twist them both going toward my face. So, and then I started with the first one over the second one, and so the lock isn't gonna come undone at the roots. So I'm just gonna twist it on down. Y'all, my locks have gotten long. And I put the rubber band, like when I put the rubber band on it, I only loop it 3 times. So see, if I want to put it up in a ponytail, like it can do all of the things. On to the next one. So I put the gel. And when I'm at the front, like, I like to flat twist a little bit when I do my retwist. So, like you see, that's a lot of hair right there. So instead of just twisting it like this, I'm gonna start at the edge and flat twist it. You see what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? Like that. And then the same with this one. Twist it toward my face. Now, normally, y'all, when I retwist, I just like retwist at the root when I do my hair. But like when I do other people's hair, I'll be sure to go all the way down. Because most of my clients have starter locks and they need that, like you see how the lock is, my lock is in a circle. You kind of have to train it that way. So that's what I do with their locks. But for my locks, I really just be retwisting the roots. Alright, so now the front one's gonna go over that one. And I'm just gonna twist it down. And make sure it's gonna stay, and it is. So I'm gonna keep twisting till I get to the end. This is gonna make for a beautiful twist out when I do take it down. So put the rubber band on there. 1, 2, 3. like that because that would have been 4, but yes. So see, I'm at the top and I'm basically doing the same thing. The only thing is I started to twist these two going upward because it just was less tension on my edges and I just liked it better. So gonna do that. And so since I did twisted this one going back, I'm gonna twist that one going back too. Like that. And then I'll put the back one over the front one. I'm just gonna make sure it's gonna stay. And then twist, twist, twist. All the way down. Y'all, I've been up all morning. I've been doing laundry, washing my hair, like getting all the stuff done. And it's just 10:51. So that's good. That's great, actually. So, let's see, 2. That one has 3. 1, 2, 3. See, I always have an odd number of locks. So I'm going to show you how I incorporate that lock in. And I'm just going to incorporate it in with this twist. Because I've noticed most people have an odd number of locks. And so do I. So when I'm 2-strand twist and I come across a odd number, which is usually at the top. Anyways, it's usually at the top. Right here where my odd number is. Ooh, I need to take the salmon out of the out of the freezer so I can cook it tonight. I'm gonna have salmon and salad this week. 20 to go take the salmon out. So I'm gonna let them 3 sit right there for a minute and tackle this part, this section. All right, so what I do is I start this off as a braid. Start off as a braid, and then I take the 2 thinner ones and I just start to twist it. I want a deep side part, so I'm going to, and see, all of these are like where I could put them up into a ponytail and work out. So that's what we like. So, deep side part. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with the twist part, but before I sit under the dryer, I'm gonna show y'all some different ways that I can style these 2-strand twists. This is the first way, which is just gonna be a ponytail. I can do it toward the back, but I could wear it like this. If I wanted to wear one down, I could. If I want to put them all up in a ponytail, I can. This will probably be my favorite style, just pulling two back like that. That's really cute. But I'm about to sit under the dryer, tie my hair down, and then I'll be back so y'all can see the finished result. Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking. It's been tied up for like 2 hours. It's still damp. I sat under the dryer, but it's still damp. So hopefully I don't get a head cold. It's looking. We're gonna go ahead and pull it back, because that's how I'm gonna wear it today. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. My hair has grown so much and I'm so proud of my locks. So anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My face is shiny, y'all. I've been putting this on my face lately. African shea butter. Yeah, it's been getting my skin right. So I will definitely talk to y'all later. Bye.